G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, unit number 2-1 Alana Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Torquay. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely duplex home will be ideal for those looking to make the sea change and secure a lovely home base to return to between your nomadic travels in the highly sought after Bayside location of Torquay. You'll enjoy the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities including Pialba Place and Stockland shopping centres, Bunnings, hospitals, schools, TAFE, university, golf course, esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach. Astute investors will also note the location, and with rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there really has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. First home buyers looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential and room to add further value should also take note. You will immediately notice that this home has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished over time, with the open plan living and dining area forming the heart of this home, and it includes split system reverse cycle air conditioning. The kitchen has been refurbished and includes ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include an electric stove with range hood. The dining area opens out to that expansive covered alfresco outdoor entertaining area, complete with roll down shade blind overlooking the fully fenced private exclusive use yard to the rear. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The bathroom has been tastefully refurbished and features floor-to-ceiling tiles, a shower, vanity and a toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The single garage has been converted into a utility room with a tiled floor and sliding glass door to the front. Vehicle accommodation includes a covered single carport to the front, and there is ample exclusive use space to the side, which will be ideal for those looking to accommodate a small caravan, camper trailer, RV or tinny. The owners of this lovely home are not testing the market and are calling for an immediate sale. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.